there's a number sitting quietly in almost everyone's life. Nobody talks about it at dinner parties. Nobody posts about it on social media. It's not the number in your bank account, it's the number you've already lost. And by the time most people realize it exists, it's already cost them $100,000. Today, we're exposing the $100,000 nobody tells you about. Here's the secret: this isn't about a bad investment. It's not about a crash, a scam, or a stock that went to zero. This $100,000 disappears slowly, quietly, through decisions that feel completely normal. It's the compound interest you never earned because you waited until you had more money to start investing. Let's break it down. Say you're 25 years old. You tell yourself, I'll start investing at 35. I need to get settled first. Sounds responsible, right? Except those 10 years of hesitation, invested at an average 8% return, would have grown into more than $100,000 by retirement. Gone. Not stolen, just never claimed. Then there's credit card interest. That small $3,000 balance you carry, paying only the minimum? At 22% interest, dragged out over years, quietly siphons tens of thousands of dollars from your future self. It's not one big loss, it's 1,000 tiny leaks nobody points out to you. And here's the one that stings the most: employer 401k matches left on the table. If your company offers to match your retirement contributions and you don't contribute enough to get the full match, you are handing back free money. Over a career, that unclaimed match can easily total $50,000 to $100,000 on its own. So why doesn't anyone tell you this? Because it's not dramatic. There's no headline that says man quietly loses $100,000 by waiting. It happens in silence, through delay, through default settings, through not asking questions. Financial audacity means refusing that silence. Here's how you take that $100,000 back. First, start investing today. Even $5 a day compounds into real wealth over time. Second, attack high-interest debt aggressively. Every dollar of interest you avoid is a dollar you keep. Third, always capture your full employer match. It is the single highest guaranteed return you will ever get. And fourth, review your money decisions with the same seriousness you'd give a job offer, because they carry that much weight. That $100,000 isn't hiding in some secret account. It's hiding in habits you can change starting today. The people who build real wealth aren't smarter than you. They just refuse to let silence cost them six figures. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe, because on Financial Audacity, we don't just talk about money, we talk about the money nobody else will. See you in the next one.